Yeah! Finally! All bound up and ready to go. It's this. You gotta do all of this to go geocaching. This is nuts. You got any dynamite? We dug around all over the rocks, but I don't know where it is. Well, we gave it a good try, and we're gonna give her up as a DNF. It's in the rocks, you know. I hate rocks. And it's got snow.
Blasted rock near pole.
Blasted rock near a pole.
Behind us a little bit, I think.
Is this a pole or a road? Fence pole. Plastic rock by a fence pole.
Pole, not post.
Yeah, this is a post. How far are you away?
I'll tell you in a sec.
It's not a plastic rock, that's a rock. That's the last
Two.
pole.
Okay. Definitely two, train one, size small. Okay, path logs, what do they say? Found it 2022.
Well, shite.
Yeah, a bit of digging.
Yeah! Finally! Got the right tools and the right caches with you. You can find anything anywhere. And the hint was by a pole.
No
It's
pole.
it's a fence post. There is no more pole, but the coordinates are dead on apparently. And he had originally 1 meter right here. And there you go. Close enough. Sign me in. First cache found. Found one at least. Yes. The next cache is down this little chasm, and it's in the entrance to a tunnel. Yeah, a tunnel. That's cool. Well, that one was missing. And how do we know that? I was with the CO, and he's confirmed it was not there. So, onward to another cache. or a DNF. You never know. I want to introduce you to a geocacher, Tycoon Otto, who is number 116 in the world for finds. Tycoon Otto, how are you?
I'm doing awesome, man.
And you've been geocaching since?
September 2007. I know that because I just looked it up.
And you have how many finds?
I think it's about 80,030 now.
80,030.
Somewhere right in there.
So that's pretty spectacular, because you look up the list and I've said 116th in the world.
Yeah.
Are you aiming for top 100?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I was in the top 100 at one point, but it's a moving target.
What drew you to geocaching and why? Why do you do this? Why do you do this?
There's a ton of reasons. I just love getting out.
Yeah.
I love people. I love challenge. It takes you to places you'd never normally go, and I've met some amazing people like yourself.
Well, thank you.
In the game.
It's pretty cool to get to know somebody that you look up on a list and you're like, holy cow. I've looked at the list and I can go in the top. There's a number of people that I know I either know or I've seen logs of, like Dave Without ID. There's a guy that's really tops in there, and Yosemite Deb. Yeah, there's another one that I know. I've seen her on Facebook. We've chatted. Haven't met her yet. Hope I can meet her in Arizona coming out in February. Thanks very much, Tycoon Otto, for taking us out on this really cool adventure. This is something that I wouldn't be doing on my own on my 2 feet, and I'm glad that you're able to keep us on the road.
So far, so good.
Yeah,
My pleasure.
It's good. All right, let's go get some more caches.
Good idea.
All righty.
Go down there. I don't think it would be on top. It's not a very tall stump. I don't see anything else around here.
No.
Are you zero here?
Oh, yeah. It's supposed to be a 1.5, and tall stump. But down below, there are no stumps, and up there, it's a little more than a 1.5. So I'm just gonna go back down, check by these trees for a stump. That doesn't appear to be there. And the only tall stump I can see is this short stump. No, I don't see a stump. Oh, wait a minute. I see a pile of rocks. And we found it down below. Not way up there, down below, behind that small stump. That's more befitting a 1.5 rating. Well, that was fun. He got her up the hill within 60 meters of the cache, and now we're just gonna trudge through the snow and see if we can get this one, which is actually above a walking trail, above the trail that we're on. Let's see what we can get.
Ta-da!
Hey. This is why this guy has 80,000 finds. He won't stop. He'll go anywhere.
Yeah.
Woo! And just because he can, he placed a cache while we're out here in the middle of nowhere over there. On our way back out to where we parked the pickup, we stopped at the Shoot Lake Resort just to check it out. And here you can go glamping in a kind of a canvas type lodge. There's also a restaurant here, but when we showed up, unfortunately, it's only open on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But we took a look around, checked out Shoot Lake up here in the mountains of BC.
Hey, want to ride?
Well, I don't want to walk back, that's for sure. All of this just to get a couple of caches. Well, I want to thank you so much for a wonderful adventure.
My pleasure.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, we should do this more often.
Yeah, I agree with that.
All right, well, we got some caches, we got some DNFs, but we had adventure.
Definitely had adventure.
And that's what geocaching is all about, getting off the couch and having some adventures.
Right on, man.
And as Lyric Lass says, there's more geocaches to be found, and where will geocaching take you?